All right, it's Jonathan at Actionpac. So we loaded up the cheese curds. We had 4 bags of that, and we just ran a couple cycles. So one thing I wanted to mention also is this guy's already set, so it looks like we're running about 60 psi or so. And so if you just supply it more than that, then we're good to go. So I think we're running the 190 gram right now. So we'll run a couple cycles, and then we'll recall a different weight. So notice again, we have the mechanical switch on the back of the funnel. So once you lift the bag up on there, we're just using a big bag, the one that the cheese came in right now, but just to give you an idea. And the scale's already been ready. So you got the bulk and the dribble. And then it checks to see, okay, it needs one more curd in there just to make the weight. And you see a green light. So the reason why we have the open funnel too is for sometimes when you have a product that might be a little bit bulkier and hard to get into a smaller bag, you actually can use the funnel with your hand and to help guide it in there. If you tried to use any other type of funnel that was closed or round or something, it would bridge in there. So we're getting about 10 a minute. So let's show them how to do a different program. So all you do is you stop it, and then you recall program.
I'm gonna save this first.
Okay, he's gonna save the enter 02. So that'll save the.
I'm just gonna make a new program.
Okay.
So
So he's gonna show you how to make a different program as well. So yeah, can you do that again? Yep. Show them how to do it again.
Okay.
Recall.
So recall 02.
Yeah. So for example, like if you recall 190 gram program, which is 02, okay, all he's going to do is press add value and then enter, and then 0110, which is makes it now a 300 gram program, and then to store that, press enter 03. Okay, and then so you need to dump the product out of there so that it re-zeros when you run, and then press start. So it'll take the speed and the accuracy and everything of that 190 gram program and just made it into a 300 gram program. And so this one has a plus and minus tolerance of, I think we're set it up about 10 grams, but if you did want anything less than a certain amount, you can set the minimum target weight to be the lowest part you have. But yeah, each one kind of weighs, 10 grams on there or so. So yeah, just showing. Yeah, so it would be either without it, it's 297, and then with it is 307. So yeah, so let's run one more, and then we'll show them how to do the 50 grammer too. Okay, let's do the 50.
Okay, stop it.
Yep, so stop it, dump it, and we already made a program 00.
Yeah.
Yep, so this program, recall program 00, and then check to see the target weight was 50, and then so it's pretty slow on the 50 grammer, but maybe we could probably dial in the speed a little bit. So what we're doing is running it a little bit faster in the back, probably too, just a little bit. So you can adjust the product on the fly, and it's 50. So the idea is to run a few, dial in the speed, and then save it. So yeah, so we'll play around with the 50 a little bit, but that's pretty much the gist of it. And if you have any questions, you can always just reach out to me and I can walk you through it. But